Welcome to today's video. Today's video I'm going to take you to where they make Kilishi in Ibadan.
First, that they are going to dry it a bit, and once it gets dry here,
this is how it looks after the meat has been shredded and dry under the sun. So this is the dry meat that they are going to be using to prepare the Kilishi. So they make sure it's fully dry, and they shred it. You can see so light, so they expose it to sunlight. Then this other man here is using ram, that is ram meat, to prepare this Kilishi. So it has fat, but they just dry it expose it to direct sunlight, and it takes some hours for it to get dry to this stage. This is how it looks like after it has been dried. I met this young man. He's trying to explain how he prepared his own Kilishi, but this time around he's not using the direct sunlight because he's using ram meat. So he was just telling me the procedure of how he's adding every other ingredient to this meat after it has dried, before taking it to the next stage of adding every other spices to make it a perfect Kilishi suya.
Kudi, don't come. Kudi, don't come. Ala cow kudi, oh, don't come. This is so. This one like this. How you want to sell them? You take and go where? Lagos. Go sell them. So how much for one like this now?
10,000.
Oh. No, 5,000 for one like this. Shall I taste? Taste one, babe. Hello, one. Say 10,000 one. Ah, it's like oh, fine. Yeah, one at 10,000. They will give you taste. I'm coming.
So this man is giving the price that 2,000 for one, and they have different sizes. So also I need to okay, let me taste what if I'm even buying. Let me taste it, and it was so sweet. So the heat is so much. I was actually so scared getting close to where they are making it, because if you get close, it's so hot. So I have to move back and make sure I film from distance.
If me customer won't buy how much? Yeah? Me customer I won't buy how much?
Melo. See one, I do two. I do 10. I do
10. Let's say 10.
So I was negotiating with him if I'm buying this Kilishi, and I have a customer that wants to buy and resell or take it outside Ibadan. So I was trying to negotiate with him and tell him he was giving me one kind high price, and I was trying to tell him
so this one
his price. That was what we were really discussing. So Kilishi is fully made. Yeah, I was actually like, wow, I love what I'm seeing, and I like what is here.
This is ram, agbo. Wow. This one done ready?
Not ready. Kada iska ni na rade ma zuwa America wallahi.
Not all to get it. This is meat. You could imagine. Woo!
So if you like Kilishi and you're thinking I can't travel to the north to get it, don't stress yourself. You can get it here in Ibadan, and it's freshly made. It's so hot. so spicy, so sweet. I love it. In fact, I tasted. You trust now your baby girl. She must make sure she tastes what she was seeing, because the site is not something you can just build and go home and not eat from what is here. So he was trying to explain on how they arrange, like what he's doing now. He's trying to arrange, and he was telling me that it can last as long as taking 3 months, 4 months, the way it is. So I was like so surprised, and they're really doing it very, very well. So he's arranging it for it to dry, because they are just bringing direct from the heat. The Kilishi men, they are all having their stand and preparing their Kilishi. So I have to just stay with this man, and you can see that this Kilishi, you can see the spice, real spice. Hey.
Mangi and so. This is for testing. How sweet it is, how good it is. It's so hot. So you can see they have lots and lots here. And as I handed him, he said one. This is a complete one if you're buying.
Yes.
And this one is 7,000 naira.
Yes, only one.
Wow. The one I tasted, I'm still feeling this pep. It's so peppery.
The Kilishi here really tasted so good. Yes, you should understand that, because it has granite. And if you're a lover of granite, eating granite with meat, you will understand how excited I was feeling when they gave me to taste. I was like, wow, I was really enjoying it. I like it. It's so tasty. It's so fine. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Support Ojuolape space, makes Ojuolape space grow. Thank you so much. You can see, sorry I didn't call you to come and taste. It really tastes so good. When I mean so good, I mean so good. But the only thing, I couldn't get water to really kill down the hotness of the pepper from it, but I enjoyed it. It was so good. So if you like Kilishi like me, you can just make your order. You're going to eat fresh one. This is not maybe 6 months ago prepared or 17 months ago. You're going to get freshly prepared Kilishi.
You can come around and enjoy. This one is so hot. Can you just see it? It's just direct from the fire, and it's so hot. This is perfect. So, Ubioga. Abu.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want this Kilishi here in Ibadan, you can just make your order. Just email me, it will get to you. I love you. Bye.